Welcome to episode 2, season 4 of Ramadan Cafe. Today I'm going to show you how to make onion rings. The ingredients you will need is onions, eggs, flour, breadcrumbs, garlic powder, paprika, and salt. You'll also need olive oil, and last but not least, milk. The first step is to peel off your onion skin. You can use a knife to help you with this. After peeling off your onion skin, you can cut the bottom and the top off. Then cut them into slices. Don't make them too thin, otherwise you won't be able to take out the rings like I'm doing right now. The next step is to get 3 bowls. In the first bowl, you're going to want to put 1/4 of a cup of flour into your bowl. Next, you're going to want to put 1/2 a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 a teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 a teaspoon of salt, and mix it together. Next, in the second bowl, you're going to want to put 1/4 of a cup of milk. After pouring that in, crack 1 egg into the bowl and mix thoroughly. Then get your third bowl. Put 1/2 a cup of breadcrumbs into your bowl. I suggest the Japanese panko breadcrumbs because they taste amazing. Next, put your 3 bowls in front of you. Then put your onion into the flour. Then put your onion into the egg. And last but not least, submerge it into breadcrumbs. Then after all this, you're going to want to put it on a baking tray and spread some olive oil onto it. This will give it a crispy finish. You're going to want to put your liner into your air fryer and get out your onion rings and put them down. You don't want to overlap them, otherwise they won't cook thoroughly. Put it in and put it for 10 minutes and 200 degrees Celsius. After halfway, you're going to want to check on them just to make sure they are cooking. Then put it back in for another 5 minutes until it's done. After they turn crispy brown, you can serve them with your favorite sauce and a pinch of salt.